How to change country in eFootball. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change country in eFootball. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the eFootball application on your device. Once opened, tap on the Extras option you see there and further tap on the User Information option. You will see the option for user details, tap on that. Now in here, as you can see that I am being able to change my username. However, there is no such option for change the country. So in eFootball, once you set the country during the account activation process is permanent and there is no option to change it later. Nevertheless, if you want to change it anyhow, then you can go ahead and delete the application and further reinstall the eFootball application and launch the app. Now, while setting up your account again, you will be asked to select the country or region. So this time, go ahead and select the country that you want to change your country or region to. So this is how you can change country in eFootball. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button. Comment if you have any queries and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.